Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to install applications on your watch, you will need to do a few things before we continue. The first thing is to connect your watch to the internet, and you can do it by using the LTE if your watch supports it, or use the Wi-Fi. I recommend the Wi-Fi because downloading apps may use a lot of data, so LTE is not the perfect solution. And to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi, you open the settings on it, go to connectivity, and here we have the Wi-Fi option. You can enable the Wi-Fi and then you can tap on Add Network, find the network you want to use. As you can see, I already have network connected, but if you don't, you can tap on the network, and if it's not saved, you will need to enter the password, and once you enter the password, it should connect to that network, and it should say connected. And once you have the internet connection, you will also need to have a Google account signed in on your watch, because otherwise you won't be able to use the Google Play Store and other Google services. And to do that, again, open the settings, scroll through the page and look for the Google, and then tap on accounts. And here, if you don't have the account right here in the menu, that means you don't have any Google account added to your watch or signed in into your watch. And what you need to do is to tap on Add Google Account, and then tap on this icon right here. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see this pop-up right here, and you can basically sign in into a Google account from your phone. So basically you kind of copy a Google account from your phone to your watch. So choose the account and then tap on continue to sign in. And after you sign in the account, and it appears right here on the page. So if you go to Google and it appears in the Google accounts menu, it means you're good to go, and now we can finally install applications. And to install applications on our watch, you need to open the menu by pressing the crown button, then find the Play Store icon and tap on it. And once you're in the Play Store, you can browse and look for something you like. I'm gonna open the Spotlight right here. It's gonna be the simplest way. No, that's like an app, never mind. I'm just gonna tap on See More right here. It only shows me Spotify, amazing. But basically you can browse this store and look for something. You can also search directly. So if you tap on here, you can type in something like maybe calculator, and then it will show you the results, and you can browse and look for something you like. Now this is taking longer than I expected. Come on. Let's try again. Can we open this? Oh, apparently we have no connection to the internet. That is interesting. Let's go to settings, connectivity, Wi-Fi. Apparently it is connected, so we should have internet. This is weird. Let's see if we open the store now. Okay, now it's working. So that's why I said you need to have internet connection, because otherwise you won't be able to use it. So let's say you just want to install this to-do list. So find the app you want to install, open the page for it. You will see this big install button. And then before you install it, you can also read the reviews, see the screenshots and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the app, you tap on the install button. It will start downloading and installing. And after it's done, the install button will disappear. It will be exchanged with the uninstall button, I believe, and open button as well. Like this. And you can open it directly from the store, or if you go to the app menu, and the app should appear right here somewhere in the menu. Here we have it. And you can tap on the icon to open the application. And of course you can install multiple apps. At some point you probably will reach the limit of the data you can install on your watch. Basically the watch has some storage and you can run out of space from it. But once you run out of the space, you can always uninstall some applications and install some more if you want to. And basically that's how you install applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.